Hi guys, my name is Joy and I'm new to YouTube. This is the first time I'm actually coming on YouTube to share anything. So I hope I get positivity out here. So my name is Joy and I'm on Instagram as Joy Events Babe. So if you want to keep watching to see how I created this brow looks using the Joey Healy Brow Collection, stay tuned. I'm going to be using this Joey Healy Eyebrow Essential Tools. So this is a vegan leather case that comes with a bunch of different eyebrow tools in it. I am super pumped because it has a dual brow brush, it has the sculpting tweezer, it has a calligraphy brow brush, and a bunch of fun stuff.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look.
So right now I'm using the grooming dermablade trio just to clean underneath my brows, just right there where I have like overgrown hairs and things that are just sticking out. So when I'm ready to fill in, the place is nice and neat to be able to fill in. So you just keep shaving till you get your desired shape or what you think is best. And sometimes I go up as well to just clean up every excess hair as well. So I have that nice lined brow just for when I'm ready to fill in. Then I just fill that in. So that's all cleaned out. That's what it looks like. This is what this other one looks like. So let's do this one.
I never want to lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Then you take the brow brush and just brush to see what you've actually done and if you like your shape. So I think I am comfortable with this shape for when I'm ready to fill in. You can always just go back and take off any excess hair that is just lingering up around here. Then after that, I usually go in with my brow gel and then I just give that a little bit of definition with that and just let that sit. Like, I am really no expert, but I'm just trying to do all of these, and that's why I love this collection, because it's good for newbies and also experts, so anyone can use it. And it comes with a card that will literally tell you or show you everything that is in there. So when I get this filled in with the gel, I just let it sit for a while and then I get back to it. I go in with this. So this is the brow powder. Yeah, this is the brow powder. This is what it looks like. This is the shade I'll be going with. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, let's deep dive. Then I go back in with my dual brow brush, still by Joey Healy, and then I take my brow powder and then I dip this way to pick up, and then I fill in. So I just go, oh, I think a little goes a long way. So
we're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause
go in and fill this one. So like I said, a little goes a long way, to be honest, because this is very pigmented. Like I said, we're going to clean them out, so we're just filling, just keep filling until we are satisfied. Next, I take the calligraphy brow brush, yeah, and then I try to conceal. Sometimes I use my foundation or I use my concealer. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but most times I just use my foundation, and this is how I just clean it out from underneath, so it would just give it that definition. This brush feels so good, like it's very soft. The bristles are very soft. So you take again, I always come up here, that's why I use my foundation, so it's exact same shade with my foundation, so I don't have to stress so much on cleaning out. So you can see that the brows are coming out, they are coming out. Okay, so you feel that in. So like I said, why I like to use my foundation, you can see that it just blends right out, because each time I use concealer, because my concealer is one shade lighter than my foundation, so each time I go in with my concealer, it just feels like I have to do a lot of blending, except I want to give that highlight to my brow bone. But usually I just go in with my foundation, especially for the top here, so I don't have that white cast, and you can see the difference already. So we're gonna go in and do the same thing to this. Just use an up close mirror so I can see clearly. So you can see this is what the final look looks like. It's just perfect. I love how the brows turned out, and this collection is excellent. Trust me, if you're a beginner or you're a pro, you're an expert, you're a makeup artist, you will love using this product. And use my code JHJoy50 for a discount. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please follow me on my Instagram for more makeup and style video. I also have a blog called Simply Style by J. I'm gonna leave everything on the screen and in the description box below. I hope you guys will subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day. Bye.